Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Melina with Me Crafty Scrapper on Instagram and here on YouTube. Today I am showing you the brand new Cocoa Daisy August kits, and I'm so excited because the watercolor accents in these kits is so pretty. I can't wait to show you everything. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so this month for August, my subscriptions changed around a little bit because I wanted to change them up some. And I am on the design team for Cocoa Daisy, so I already get quite a few things, but I wanted to add to that a little bit too. So today I'm going to be going over the main planner kit, the Daisy Week sticker kit, the memory keeping sticker kit, the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit, and the Pocket Memory Keeping Kits. So that's what we're going to be going over today, and it starts with our intro card telling us all about the kit, where the idea came from our fearless leader, Miss Christine. And these kits are called Backyard Blooms. And I told you, the watercoloring on these are amazing. I love this kit, which I'm already a floral fan, so that was enough. But then when I saw that everything was watercolor floral, it had my heart. This is the pouch that comes in the main planner kit. And look, guys, it is rose gold accents. And if I'm not mistaken, our pen that's in the main planner kit is also rose gold accent. I just love that. So it's got just a regular liner on the inside with the mustard kind of yellow tassel closure. And then it says, step back, relax, and let things unfold, with that beautiful hummingbird and those watercolor florals. And on this side, it's the dragonfly, and it says, everything blooms in its own time. So that is the intro card and the pouch from the main planner kit. And now I will go through what else is in the main planner kit. And then one part of the thing that I changed up for August is I'm getting the 5x7 Daisy Dory in the main planner kit. I was getting just the main planner kit with no insert, but now I'm getting the 5x7 Daisy Dory, and I will be using that. I'm going to deconstruct it and use it in my B6 rings print pression planner for next month. So I'm very excited about that. And here is what the pages look like in the Daisy Dory. Okay, so that was the main planner kit. Now we'll go over the stickers that come in the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. These are some gorgeous colors in these kits. I love it. And they also sent us a replacement for the strips in the July 2020 Daisy Weeks calendar kit because I guess the numbers were off. Silly me, I didn't even notice. But thank you so much for that, guys. Okay, so I love everything in all of the kits every month. I love it all. But phrase stickers are like my favorite thing ever. I love them. So I'm very excited to have another pack of these like we did in the June kits, the Serengeti kits. We had a sheet of phrase stickers, and I love those, and I love these. And another thing that's new for August is the die cuts. Now, there are some die cuts that are still just regular die cuts, but there are packs of die cuts in this kit and in the main planner kit I just showed you that already have adhesive on the back. So it's just got a little strip. You peel it off. It's already sticky. You put it on your project. How sweet is that? Love it. Here is what all comes in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit for August. Okay, so that's what comes in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit from Cocoa Daisy for August. I'm loving that print in the Simple Dory. That is so pretty. I love that. I love a distressed look and kind of vintage looking. I love that. And this new vellum sheet, we haven't been getting this, and I love that vellum sheet that's coming in that. So that is that kit. Now let's go over the memory keeping sticker kit. All right, so there is the memory keeping sticker kit. And one thing I do love about these sticker kits is that some of the stickers are on white paper, and then some of them are on clear sticker paper. I love that. It gives you variety. And of course, as you know, I love me some phrase stickers. So memory keeping kit, the sticker kit has got me loving it. And then last but certainly not least, let's go over the pocket memory keeping kit. Okay, so that was the pocket memory keeping kit, and I am loving those little pieces of vellum. Those, it looks like the 3x4. It might be 2x3, but anyways, those little bitty sheets of vellum. I love those, the black and white. Too cute. We haven't gotten those before. I really like that. It goes along with that vellum sheet that we got in the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit. So today I went over the main planner kit with the B6 Daisy Dory insert. I've went over the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit, the Daisy Weeks sticker kit, the memory keeping sticker kit, and the pocket memory keeping kit. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. I will leave a link in the description below to get you to the Cocoa Daisy store so that you can look at what's left for August. I know it's been a very popular kit, and a lot of stuff may be gone, but you can subscribe for next month, the next month too. That's September, and we've already saw a sneak peek of that one, and it is gorgeous. So you want to sign up for a subscription. And when you do, we got this little card. It's a monthly view that I'll probably add to my ring planner for next month. If you sign up for a subscription, be sure to mention my name, Melina Pilot, when you check out, and we both, you and I, get a $10 credit to spend in the store at Cocoa Daisy on a later purchase. So be sure to mention my name because you want a treat and I do too. So thanks so much for watching. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And my next video, don't miss my next video. It is going to be you getting to go along with me as I'm adding things to my brand new print pression B6 rings planner. And I'll show you how I'm starting to set that up. And then my next video will show you a complete flip through of that brand new planner. I'm very excited to get started in that. And if something comes in the mail soon, I will be able to set up a journal, and it's going to be different for August also. So I'm just waiting on one thing to come in so I can set up my journal for August also. And I think you're really going to like it. I'm very excited about it. Anyway, so cliffhanger, there you go. You'll have to come back to see what's going on. But I appreciate you stopping by today. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye, y'all.